Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change image in Webflow. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to log into your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Webflow dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the project you intend to edit. Once you've located the correct project, click on it to dive into the Webflow Designer. Next, within the Webflow Designer, navigate to the specific image element you wish to change. Webflow's Visual Designer gives a comprehensive view of your site, allowing you to see every element at a glance. Once you've selected the image element, click on Settings icon below the image, and the panel will display various options. Click on the Replace Image, and Webflow will offer you the choice to either pick another image from your asset library or upload a new image from your computer. If you have a new image ready, uploading it is just a drag and drop away. If the replacement is in your library, a simple click will swap the images seamlessly. After changing the image, you might notice some adjustments need to be made to ensure it fits well within your design. And there you have it. So that is how you can change image in Webflow. So that's all for this video. Thanks.